Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn another interesting topic from our GK book, lesson number 43, showing admiration. Having respect for someone means a feeling of admiration. So, when you behave in a way that it is respectful, you are doing something to show admiration for other persons. Okay, children, that means you are respecting some other people for the thing what they are doing. Okay, so we should show respect to all the people around you who are elders and also the younger people than you also. In this worksheet, what you will do in these situations to show respect, you need to write there, children. First one, your brother is not following your parents' rules. What you will do? As a younger or elder person, if your brother is not following the rules, you must follow the rules and make him understand that everyone should follow the rules and regulations by the parents. So, if you follow the rules and regulations of your parents, immediately the follower of you, the younger one or the elder one, will definitely follow the rules of your parents. Second one, your sister is making noise in the study room. As you are studying in your study room, you are very busy and concentrating on your books. But the small girl doesn't know that she is disturbing you all in the studies. So you should make them understand. You should feel her comfortable and make her understand like we are studying here and you please go and play outside. So it will not get disturbed for us. In that way, you need to make her understand by the pleasing words. But we should not shout on her. Okay? Third situation. Someone calls you mean or selfish. According to me, I am very perfect and I am not so selfish. Whatever I want, I am taking for myself and remaining things I am giving to all. So in this way, you need to give an explanation to others who are saying you mean or selfish or just keep quiet. You need to make them understand in a proper way that they will change their mentality. Otherwise, you can leave the situation to the time. Time will heal everything, children. Fourth one, you want to watch a cartoon show, but your mother is watching the news on television. So what you will do? See, children, your mother will be working for your house, for you and all other responsibilities she will take up all the day. And whenever she want to watch a TV show, you should leave that show for her and you can engage in some other things so that she will also enjoy some time of her day. Next one, fifth one, your grandparents came home and your parents are away from the home. So what you will do? You are very small children, but what you should do? So you should ask them to come inside and sit and you should accompany them in talking something or doing some work like this till your parents come back. But you should not leave them alone. Sixth one, your friends laugh at differently abled child in the mall. So what you will do? So we should explain them about the situation of the person who are differently abled. So you should make them understand and you should ask them not to laugh anytime at those people who are differently abled. Next one, you see a boy hurting a stray dog. That means a boy is hurting a street dog. So what you will do in these situations? So you should make that boy understand you should not hurt the street dogs because already they are in a pathetic situation. They don't get food in time, they don't get shelter for rain, cold, something else. If possible, they need to serve the street dogs with some kind of food. But we should never hurt the street dogs, children. So, like this, you need to answer for all these situations in your own words and individual answers. Okay, children? Now, let's go to another worksheet. Lesson number 44, brain test. A bit. Cross the odd one out. That means, in this order, you have similar kind of angles or similar kind of pictures. But out of these, one picture is different. So, you need to cross that one. Okay? See the first picture. A1 is okay, B bit okay, C bit okay, but D1 is different angle. So, you need to cross that. Okay? See the second one. A, B, C are having the same triangles with the red circle in center. But the D bit is having a big circle inside a triangle. So this one is odd one out in this series. So cross it out. Third one. All these are cylinder kind of pictures. A, B and D are similar. But D1 is having one rectangle under that. So this one is odd one out. So cross it out. See the fourth one. See, in this picture you can find many arrows in all the pictures, right? But the different one is B bit because all the arrows are connected to the line. The B bit is not connected. So this is odd one out. So cross it. See the second bit. Draw the figures that will complete the series. See, in A bit, B bit, C bit you have different shapes. One circle, one cross mark, two circles, two cross marks and different kind of other shape. So in the D bit you please draw like this. Two rectangles and two triangles. So with this you will finish this series. See the second one. Here you can find two lines in the shape of L. So the next series you can form is answer D bit right in the shape of capital M. See the third one. So in the D bit you need to write the answer like MOE KMO QSU. Like this you need to complete the series. So children, I hope that you all finish this worksheet along with me. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.